To work a slightly neater SSK, which is a slip, slip, knit, a left leaning decrease, you're going to slip the first stitch as if to knit and slip the next stitch as if to purl. So go into the first stitch as if you were going to knit it, but then you just slip it to your right hand needle. And then you go into the next stitch on your left hand needle as if to purl. So go into it from right to left, into just the front loop of it, but just slip it to your right hand needle. And now you're going to go into the front loops of both of those stitches as if to purl. So go into the front loops from left to right, like this, with your left needle over your right, yarn over, and pull that yarn over through both of those loops. Slide them off your left hand needle, and that is how you work a modified, slightly neater SSK. It might not be super noticeable in this yarn, but this is a normal SSK where you can see that one of the stitches is kind of twisted over. And then this is a modified SSK where it's a little bit neater. So normal, modified.